The false paradigm model. Now, in this, what we want to understand, it is a continuation of the models that we are doing beta. और इसमें हमें समझना है कि false paradigm model क्या है. This basically says that, so we understood that there is something which is known as the core consisted of the developed countries, and there was something which is called as the peripheral. Periphery consisted of the developing countries. And we studied that the core is not letting the periphery develop. जो developed country है वो developing को develop नहीं होने दे रहा है. This is very similar to what we have studied. So the proposition that developing countries have failed to develop because their development strategies have been based on incorrect model of development. तो अब ये समझो, these countries, they are developing countries, है ना बच्चे, ये developed countries है. Now, if I follow the models that are being used by the developed countries, then my circumstances are different. मैं एकदम अलग सिचुएशन में हूं, मैं जिस तरीके से रह रही हूं वो एकदम अलग है, और डेवलप्ड कंट्री के सर्कमस्टांसेस एकदम अलग हैं. So the circumstances in which a developed country is living and in which a developing country is living are very different. So if the developing country will mimic what the developed country is doing, अगर वो वही करेगा जो developed country कर रहा है, it will be following an incorrect model. And if it will be following an incorrect model, it will not be able to develop itself, right? So why it is not able to develop? Because it is going ahead and it is using an incorrect model of development. क्योंकि वो एक गलत model use कर रहा है, that is why it is not able to develop itself. One, that for example, overstresses capital accumulation or market liberalization without giving consideration need to social and institutional changes. तो ये जो हम मॉडल की बात कर रहे हैं, what this is saying is that this model focuses a lot on savings. It focuses a lot on capital accumulation. Okay, no problem that you need more capital for development, but this model, it does not focus on the social changes that are required. एक developing country में, because the circumstances in which it is living is different. जिस तरीके के लोग हैं, जितना कास्ट, रिलीजन, रीजन को लेकर इश्यूज है, जो इनइक्वालिटी है, जो पॉवर्टी है, जो सोशल स्ट्रक्चर है, इट इज डिफरेंट. But no model is focusing on the social changes that are required. No model is focusing on the institutional changes that are required. है ना? So basically what is happening is that it is overstressing on capital accumulation. इन चीजों पे तो it is overstressing, ज्यादा focus कर रहा है, और market liberalization, but it is not giving due consideration to social and institutional changes. Social or institutional changes पे it is not focusing. The international expert advisors from the developed countries offer complex, misleading models of development that lead to inappropriate or incorrect policies. वही सेम बात. So what we are saying is that यहाँ पे जो ये core है, जो developed countries हैं, उनमें जो लोग बैठे हुए हैं, the experts who are sitting in the developed country, the model provided by them are very misleading models. वो डेवलपिंग कंट्री में मिमिक नहीं हो सकते. यू कैन नॉट कॉपी पेस्ट दैट मॉडल इन अ डेवलपिंग कंट्री. And if you try to go ahead and you copy paste that model in a developing country, then it will go ahead and it will lead to inappropriate results. जो वहां से रिजल्ट आएगा वो बिल्कुल ही ठीक नहीं आएगा. It will go ahead and it will lead to an inappropriate result. Developing countries have institutional factors like traditional social structure. So first of all, जो डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज का सोशल स्ट्रक्चर है वो बहुत अलग है. कास्ट, क्लास, ट्राइब्स बहुत अलग अलग हैं. अनइक्वल ओनरशिप ऑफ लैंड एंड अदर प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स. डेवलपिंग कंट्री में देयर इज unequal distribution of land. Some people are rich, some people are poor. Poverty is high, inequality is high. Disproportionate control by local elites over domestic and international financial assets. तो इस बारे में हमने लास्ट थ्योरी में बात की थी दैट देर आर सम एलिट्स, कुछ ऐसे अमीर लोग होंगे हु विल फोकस एंड हु विल बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन द कोर, हु विल सर्व द कोर, जो सिर्फ डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज के लिए काम करेंगे, रहेंगे डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज में, बट काम डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज के लिए करेंगे, डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज के लोगों को सर्व करेंगे और उन्हीं से पैसा कमाएंगे। एंड दे डोंट वांट द डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज टू गेट डेवलप्ड, ठीक है, दे डोंट वांट देयर ओन कंट्री टू डेवलप, राइट। एंड दीज एलीट पीपल विल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ कंट्रोल, ये जो कुछ अमीर लोग होंगे इनके पास बहुत सारा कंट्रोल होगा, right? So there will be disproportionate control by local elites over domestic and international finances. So because of these things, because developing countries have a very different kind of environment, therefore they cannot use the strategies used by developed countries. जो developed country ने use किया वो same आप use नहीं कर सकते हो. You cannot use the same strategies. Leading university intellectual, trade unionist, high-level government economist, etc., got their training in the developed country and hence serve unhealthy dose of inapplicable theoretical models. तो अब क्या हो रहा है कि जो भी ये यूनिवर्सिटी एक्सपर्ट्स हैं, whoever are the intellectuals, university experts, whoever are the government officials sitting in the developed country, उन्होंने अपनी पढ़ाई कहाँ से की है? वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड से. They have studied from good universities where courses like Western concept and models are taught. So they have only got their hands on the developed countries, right? So the models that they prepare, the strategies that they prepare, the ideas that they give, that is also for developed countries, right? They should not be used for developing countries. Desirable institutional and structural reforms are neglected. जो असली में जरूरत है कि डेवलपिंग कंट्री में अच्छे रिफॉर्म आने चाहिए, स्ट्रक्चरल लेवल पे, सोशल लेवल पे, इंस्टीट्यूशनल लेवल पे, right? Those desirable changes are not coming. They are getting neglected. And instead, the developing country is only copy pasting whatever strategy developed country is following. And that is why it is not able to grow. Okay, okay, beta. Thank you.